What's up guys, Joe with Elevated Rides. Today I'm going to show you how to take your oil life indicator that displays on the screen, how to reset it back to 100% after you do an oil change. There's no tools involved in this, so let's start this now. Alright guys, so we're going to use the left side of the steering wheel. We need to use the arrows and the OK button. So that's what we're going to use to reset the oil life back to 100%. So first thing we're going to do is turn this on to run without starting the vehicle. We don't need to start it all the way. Okay, now we're going to use the up and down arrows to go through the screen and look for oil life. So here's what we'll do. We'll go through it. Bear with me. We're going to get to vehicle info is what you need to get to. And now we're going to use the right. It's going to go through different things. So tire pressure, coolant temp, trans temp, oil pressure, oil life. All right, so now we're at oil life. You're going to press and hold the OK button. So we're going to press and hold it in until it resets. Now it's at 100. So after you do your oil change, find that, press and hold it in the OK button, and it'll reset the oil life for you. Hopefully that helped you guys out. Hit that like button if it did. Leave comments below if you have any questions, and hit subscribe so you can follow along as we continue to build up this Jeep.